Perl scripting is one of the most popular open-source interpreted programming languages with a huge number of programmers, libraries, and resources. Programmers are using Perl for decades because of its extensive libraries, consistently fast performance, high reliability, and ease of use. It provides powerful libraries for data manipulation, data transformation, and data analysis. What will I learn? 1. Meet the Perl. 2. Basics of Perl. 3. Run a Perl script. 4. List the different data types in Perl. 5. Define indentation and understand string formatting. 6. List various built-in functions. 7. What is Perl? 8. Benefits of Perl. 9. About Perl. 10. Why Perl. 11. History of Perl. 12. Perl installation. 13. Write a first program in Perl. 14. Data types, variables. 15. Array. 16. Working with array. 17. Hash, associative array. 18. Working with hash. 19. Difference between array and hash. 20. Operators in Perl. 21. Operator precedence and associativity. 22. Grab the input from the user. 23. Context in Perl. 24. Scalar functions, subster. 35. Scalar functions, chomp, chop. 36. Difference between chomp and chop. 37. Functions in Perl. 38. Array functions, stack functions. 39. Array functions, splice. 41. DevOps as the solution. 42. Benefits of Perl.